more throttle. I'm kind of a little bit close to the ground and I have to put more throttle. That's the only thing I noticed so far about these props. What's up, drone pilots? Welcome back. And if you're new here, I'm Neil J and I do crazy stuff with FPV drone. I came here today to fly my SpeedyBee Master 3X with my new props for the first time. Those are new props. They are EMAC 35-28. So that's 3.5 inch 28 on the pitch. So this is supposed to be giving me more battery time. I'm not quite sure how they're gonna work. I was told go ahead and try them because they might give me more battery time to fly it. I have the 850 milliamp hours battery in there. I just ordered like 1100, so I'm gonna be waiting on those, and for meanwhile I'm gonna be flying these new props to see how different is that gonna be. So welcome aboard. Let's go ahead and send it out. Let's go ahead and arm it and let's go.
Goggles on, the world fades to blue. No more fear, I'm seeing this through. I need some time away from solid ground. I know a place where freedom can be found. So if you don't mind, I'm leaving for a while. I'll see you on the other side.
All right. I feel like I have to put more throttle than before, so I'm not quite sure yet, so I'm working on that.
So send it up, send it high into the air. We're gonna fly this FPV like we just don't care. From the sunrise glow to the moonlit glare, we're gonna fly this FPV everywhere.
See, like over there, I went a little bit close to the ground and I put it throttle, and I feel like I have to do more throttle than usual.
The sun is up and now the fleet's alive. From seeker speed to the
Water.
3X's dive. From
I hit water.
safety to the Mark 5 rolls.
The only thing comes in my head, oh, there's somebody there. I need to stay away. I hate to deal with water because the only thing comes in my head, if it goes in the water, that's it. There's no saving it.
Dedicated soul. The Mark 5's my freestyle powerhouse under my control. The Seeker 35's a demon, speed is its goal. The Master 3X makes precision its role. The eye that I choose, the king of the safe patrol. Yeah, it's all about using the right tool for the goal. Headed straight for that gap inside the tree. This is the part where the fool you'll see. Now I'm skimming the water, tasting the spray ripples below me. I'm leading the way, skimming the waves in a risky flight. Flips and power loops.
More throttle.
These dives and spins.
I'm kind of a little bit close to the ground and I have to put more throttle. That's the only thing I noticed so far about these props.
So send it up, send it high into the air. We're gonna fly this FPV like we just don't care. From the sunrise glow to the moonlit glare, we're gonna fly this FPV. We're twisting through the sky, feeling the rush in the air. There is no need to hush. Aircrew mode's a dangerous, tempting game. I forgot my number, I forgot my name. A crash is just
Nice.
mistaken. We don't care. We don't care if I crash into the sea or tree. It's a memory for us. A story.
Sun starts coming down.
We don't care. Then I turned around, headed for the ground, weaving through the trees without a sound. Oh, I'm living the dream. Alright, pilots, a truth you should see.
Nice.
Learning this skill was so hard.
Okay, I'm trying not to hit the ground.
It made me humble. Why spend
357 on the battery.
to fumble? But now I get it. I understand the why. The rush of the flight that touches the sky. Oh, I'm living the dream.
360 on the battery, so I'm fixing to bring it back soon.
The air, we're gonna fly.
Almost 5 minutes flying.
Just don't care. From the sunrise glow to the moonlit glare, we're gonna fly this FPV everywhere. Oh, I'm living the dream.
Threading the needle. Ooh, I got too close to that tree.
So send it up.
All right. That was risky right there.
It's FPV like we just don't care. From the sunrise glow to the moonlit glare, we're gonna fly this FPV everywhere.
Can go through it. There is a net. 6 minutes.
Oh, I'm living the dream.
354 in the battery, so I'm almost finished here. Let's do this last 10 here. $350 in the battery. I'm gonna bring it back. All right, back in its spot. Here it goes. One piece, y'all. So this was a lot of fun. Those props actually, they feel a little bit different on the flying. I'm not quite sure really if I like them so far. I'm gonna change back to the original ones, which is 35-30, and feel them again, because I really don't know. I just don't have the feeling for them yet. Maybe that's why. So thank you for joining, and I will let you know next time when I get the 1100 milliamp batteries, and I'll try them, and hopefully it will fly much better, or maybe more time, because 5-6 minutes is not really enough. Well, thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, subscribe, and if you have any question, leave it down below in the comment section. See you on the next one.
Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. See you on the next video.